Join me as I dive into the future and challenge myself to figure out if Bitcoin is really going to turn the United States into the global economic powerhouse by 2025. Bitcoin, the world's first decentralized digital currency, has been making waves in the financial world since its inception in 2009. But what if I told you that this digital phenomenon has the potential to reshape the United States economy by 2025? Sounds far-fetched. But bear with me as we explore this fascinating concept. The United States economy finds itself in a precarious position, grappling with an array of significant challenges that threaten its stability and growth. One of the most pressing issues is the alarming surge in the national debt, which continues to escalate at an unprecedented rate, raising concerns about long-term fiscal sustainability. Compounding this problem is the persistent erosion of the dollar's value, largely driven by inflation, that gnaws away at purchasing power and diminishes economic security for everyday Americans. Furthermore, the conventional banking system is significantly weighed down by a multitude of inefficiencies that not only impede the smooth flow of financial transactions, but also restrict access to crucial banking services for a large segment of the population. As these challenges continue to exist, they exacerbate the already growing wealth disparity between the affluent elite and the hard-working lower and middle classes. This escalating divide has reached a critical point, making it an urgent issue that calls for immediate attention and decisive action from policymakers and society alike. The implications of inaction could be detrimental as they threaten to deepen social divides and hinder economic progress for all. In light of these challenges, there is a growing call for innovative solutions that can reinvigorate the economy and rebuild confidence in our financial systems. The pressing question remains, can Bitcoin, with its decentralized nature and potential for financial inclusion, serve as a viable solution to these complex economic predicaments? The exploration of cryptocurrency as a possible remedy presents an intriguing opportunity to address some of the systemic flaws currently plaguing the economy. The US economy is also heavily reliant on foreign investment, which can be volatile and unpredictable. The current trade tensions and geopolitical uncertainty only add to the complexity. In this environment, the need for a stable, reliable, and efficient store of value has never been more pressing. This is where Bitcoin comes in, offering a decentralized, trustless, and permissionless alternative to traditional currencies. Moreover, the US economy is encountering significant challenges as it strives to keep up with the swiftly evolving global landscape. This transformation is primarily driven by the ascent of emerging markets, which are gaining prominence and reshaping economic dynamics worldwide. In addition, the growing significance of digital technologies is compelling traditional economies to undergo rapid adaptation. Those that fail to embrace these changes risk falling behind in an increasingly competitive international arena. In this context, Bitcoin, characterized by its decentralized nature and expansive global reach, emerges as a potential catalyst for unlocking new opportunities. It could serve as a conduit for attracting vital investments into the US economy, thereby fostering innovation and revitalizing growth in a landscape that demands agility and foresight. In a world where central banks are increasingly turning to digital currencies, Bitcoin is already ahead of the curve. Its decentralized nature makes it resistant to inflation and government manipulation, providing a safe haven asset for investors. This, combined with its potential to facilitate fast, cheap, and secure transactions, makes it an attractive option for those looking to diversify their portfolios. Imagine a scenario where the US government decides to hold a portion of its foreign exchange reserves in Bitcoin. This would not only provide a much-needed boost to the cryptocurrency's legitimacy, but also create a new channel for foreign investment to flow into the US economy. The potential implications of such a move would be enormous, and it's not hard to see why many experts believe that Bitcoin could be the catalyst for a new era of economic growth in the US. One pivotal moment that could significantly influence the US economy by 2025 is the widespread adoption of Bitcoin by institutional investors. If major players like pension funds, endowments, and sovereign wealth funds start to allocate a portion of their portfolios to Bitcoin, it could trigger a massive influx of capital into the US economy. This, in turn, could lead to a surge in economic growth, job creation, and innovation, cementing the US's position as a global economic powerhouse. Another potential game changer is the development of decentralized finance, applications on the Bitcoin network. This could unlock new use cases for the cryptocurrency, such as lending, borrowing, and yield farming, further increasing its appeal to investors and solidifying its position as a store of value. As we look to the future, it's clear that Bitcoin has the potential to play a significant role in reshaping the US economy by 2025. Whether it's through its decentralized nature, its potential to attract foreign investment, or its ability to facilitate fast and secure transactions, the benefits of Bitcoin are undeniable. In conclusion, the potential for Bitcoin to turn the US into the global economic powerhouse by 2025 is very real. While there are certainly challenges to be overcome, the benefits of this digital phenomenon make it an exciting prospect to consider. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on cryptocurrency trends and their impact on the global